Unlock the power to accept payments smoothly by connecting your WooCommerce store directly to Stripe. First things first, you'll need your Stripe API keys. Log into your Stripe dashboard, navigate to developers, and then API keys. You'll find your publishable key and secret key here. Keep that secret key safe and don't share it. Now head over to your WooCommerce website's admin panel, go to plugins, then add new. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway and hit enter. Find the official plugin, click install now. And once it's installed, click activate. After activating the plugin, go to WooCommerce in your admin menu, and then select settings. In the payments tab, you should now see Stripe listed. Click on manage next to the Stripe option. Here's where we link everything in the Stripe account ID field. Enter your Stripe account ID, which you can usually find in your Stripe dashboard settings. Then, copy and paste your publishable key from Stripe into the publishable key field and your secret key into the secret key field. Make sure the Enable Stripe checkbox is ticked, and then scroll down and click Save Changes. You've successfully bridged your WooCommerce store with Stripe. Now you can accept credit cards and other popular payment methods directly on your store, offering a secure and seamless checkout experience for your customers. Get ready to streamline your transactions and boost your sales.